Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Harbour View Shopping Center and we are looking at the construction of the new Shoppers Fair supermarket. Now this plaza is being renovated. A lot of the stores have been renovated and the supermarket was actually at this spot and the structure was old, so they demolished it and now they are building back a new supermarket. So we're giving you an update. A subscriber had asked us to do this and basically they are working on the foundation. So we'll just give you an update as to what's going on and we'll keep making videos so that you keep up to date with the project. So they are building a supermarket. I guess you could say they're building the building that the supermarket will be in. Now the Shoppers Fair, it moved into a smaller structure or a smaller building while this construction is going on. As you can see, they have a lot of equipment over here, so this project should move very quickly. And this plaza, actually it always did well, but it is poised to do even better because you need three things for a successful plaza. One, you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, which is Shoppers Fair. You need food stores, and they have Burger King, Tasty, KFC, and a few others, so that is covered. And then you need to build it in a populated area. Now Harborview is a very populated area, a lot of homes, but they are also building the Southern Coastal Highway from Harborview to Port Antonio, and the highway starts literally less than a minute from this plaza. So they expect a lot more people to use the eastern part of the island now, and because of that highway, so this plaza is going to become even more popular. So that's why they are getting everything ready. The KFC is open, the Burger King is open, so the only thing left now is to put up this structure and reopen move the supermarket back over here. The supermarket is still open, it's just in a smaller building. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video and remember to like, share and subscribe. And also, if you want us to do a video, just leave a message in the comment section, and if we make videos every 2 weeks on all the major construction projects, all the major developments going on in Jamaica. So if we are late putting up a video, just send a message reminding us. We're happy to make the videos. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.